Hey guys, I am back with another video. There is a massive fly hitting my window. I don't know if you can hear that, hopefully not. But I'm back with another video and I'm going to be doing a Bath & Body Works haul. This is a collective haul because I got two separate orders in this video. I make a lot of small purchases and end up getting a lot of rewards and things, and that's why I order so much. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got, kind of getting into the whole Christmas season type thing. I got quite a few Christmas scents, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys what I got. I'll show you the boxes in the order in which I got them. That fly needs to go. Okay, I'm back from squishing that fly. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in order of which I got the packages. So the first package I got, I had a free item up to $16, I think it was. I just got this little wallflower plug-in because it's really, it can go with basically any room, any season, that type of thing. So I got that one. And then I chose three room sprays. We got peppermint sugar cookie. And then I don't know how to say that, gingham? Yeah, that one. I like the way that smells, I just don't know how to pronounce it. And then I have Pure Wonder. And they're just concentrated room sprays. And then I have 6 wallflowers. I love using these wallflowers in every room, every other room. One second, I gotta grab something. Okay, I wanted to just like show you guys this. I saw this on TikTok. I'm not taking credit for this. This was not my idea, but it's a great idea. So these Airwick diffusers, they come with like in a little essential oil. And it's very slippery because when it, look, I think it's about to do it. When the scent comes out, I don't know if you can see it. See? Oh. When the scent comes out, it just kind of falls and gets this thing all like slippery and stuff. But it's a diffuser from Airwick. And I saw people on TikTok putting the Bath & Body Works wallflowers inside. So I have one of those in my living room, in my stairway, and also in my bedroom. And it works really well. And it also has like settings so you can decide how much you want to come out, or how often you want it to come out, I meant. But yeah, so I get a ton of the wallflowers because I use them all the time. So I got Backyard Breeze, Holiday. I don't even remember what I got. We're just kind of figuring it out together. Pure Wonder, which is the same as that room spray that I showed you. Cotton Candy Champagne. I'm really scared about this one because I personally don't think champagne smells good, but I think cotton candy smells good. So let's see what this smells like. I don't have very high hopes for it. It kind of smells like bubble gum. I don't hate it, but I'm not like in love with it either. I don't know. It really does smell like cheap pink bubble gum to me. Not like cheap in a bad way, but okay. And then I have Cozy Linen, and my last wallflower is Wash and Fold. I really like the laundry scented ones like in my bedroom, so it smells like kind of like clean sheets. And then I have like the fruity ones downstairs by the kitchen, and then in my hallway entryway I just have like a warm, comforting, like inviting type of a scent. In that same order, I also got Candle in Thousand Wishes. Kind of smells like Carmex. Crisp Morning Air. I really like this one for like the bathroom type situations. And then Laundry Day, obviously, like I just said, bedroom type scent. So that was all one order. I think I might have gotten 2 of those items for free, plus I had like a 20% off coupon as well. So that whole thing was like 40 bucks, I think. That was with shipping and taxes. So now we're just gonna go into my next order. This next one, I just got 6 candles. It was buy one get one free, but the prices were regular price. So yeah, I just got 6 candles. Got 'Tis the Season, blackberry cream frosting. This smells so familiar. This one smells like bubblegum too, but like a really strong bubblegum. That's weird. I don't know. Maybe something's wrong with my nose today. Vanilla balsam. Smells like a Christmas tree. Okay, and I have 2 more to show you guys. Peppermint hot chocolate. I'm hoping it smells similar to the room spray that I got. I know they're different scents, but I'm hoping it smells similar. No, this smells like an Andes mint chocolate or something like that. Yeah, that's exactly what that smells like. Okay, and last but not least, fresh sparkling snow. And this is supposed to smell like icy pine, icy melon, winter pine, and citrus. This has a very light scent. Like, I think that if you're not into like super heavy, overwhelming smells, this would be a really good one. That's Eucalyptus Spearmint. That's not from any of this. I just had it up here. So yes, that is my haul so far. I'm probably gonna make more orders in the near future. They keep getting me with all these rewards, so I keep spending all my money. If you guys want to see like my full-on Bath & Body Works collection, it's not huge by any means, but I do have quite a bit of candles. Yeah, if you just want to see like a candle collection video, let me know, because I'd totally be down to do that. Just sit and show you guys all my candles. I feel like somebody needs to see my collection other than myself. So if you guys are into that, go ahead and leave a like on this video, or just tell me. But yeah, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video, and if you're not subscribed already, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video, hopefully very soon. Bye guys.